Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to continue our lesson with adjective. Okay, so what is adjective? Okay, so let's look at the next slide. Okay, so first, what you will learn today. First, we are going to learn what is adjective, how to identify adjective, and to be able to use adjective in sentences. So these are the three learning objectives that we are going to achieve today. Alright, next. Okay, what is adjective? Adjective is to describe nouns. So what is noun? Nouns are all the things in this world, whether it is alive or not. Okay, sama ada hidup atau mati. For example, nouns can be people. Nouns can be tree, flowers, animals, cat, buildings, policeman, sun, moon. So everything that I have mentioned is noun. So everything in this world hidup atau mati. Okay. Next. So this is an example of the sentence pattern on how to use adjective. First, we can use adjective and then noun. And the next, the other sentence pattern, we can use be and then adjective. Okay. So adjective plus noun. So red is adjective and then car is noun. Okay. So this is how we use adjective. Or we can use be plus adjective, verb to be. So what is verb to be? Okay, verb to be is, are, or if it's past tense, was, or were. Okay, and then adjective. So is verb to be and tired is adjective. So these are two sentence patterns for adjectives. Next, okay, so let's look at this sentence and can you tell me which one is adjective, which one is house? Yes, correct. So house is a noun, so the adjective is big. Alright, next. Alicia is noun and pretty is adjective. I see a white cat. White is adjective and cat is noun. The pie is delicious. Pie is noun and delicious is adjective. You have to remember adjective in bahasa is kata sifat. So it describes, dia menerangkan benda, orang, binatang, tumbuh-tumbuhan, or anything else that we can see or cannot see. Okay? Her skin is smooth. So skin is noun, smooth, halus is adjective. Okay, so adjective has many categories. There are color, size, senses, sounds, numbers, taste, feelings, and looks. Okay, so let's look at the categories one by one. So adjective, numbers. Okay, so all the numbers can be adjective. 2, 3, second, first, 100. Okay, so for example, first baby. So first is adjective and baby is noun. 2 books. 3 flowers. Second floor. 100 day. Okay, so numbers. Next, taste. Rasa. Okay, so it can be bitter. Bitter is pahit. Sour. Sweet. Smoked. Smoked salmon. So it is smoked. Acidic. Okay, so these are some of the adjective for taste. Next, senses. Okay, senses is something that we can feel. For example, the things that we can smell. Okay, so stink. Okay, or smelly, fragrant, wangi, or a smooth, rough. So these are some of the words for senses. Feelings. So happy is an adjective. Sad, excited, maybe frustrated, or joyful, or upset. Okay, so all these words can be adjectives. Next, looks. Okay, things that we can see. Handsome, pretty, skinny, or thin, kurus, slim, big, huge. Okay, so these are the words for looks. Next, color. So all the colors in the world can be adjective. For example, do you know that there is a color named periwinkle? Okay, it's a color. Maybe cyan, magenta, yellow, blue, red, and all the colors that you can find. Right? Next. Okay, so let's describe this house. Okay, let's give adjectives to it. First, when you see this house, what can you say about it? Okay, it's pink. Okay, for me, this house is quite small, but it's cute. It has brown door. Okay, so this is all the adjectives that we can use. Okay, except for door. Door is a noun, right? Okay, next, a flower. What can we say about it? It's pretty for sure, and it's yellow. It's small or tiny, and it has green leaves. It has white petals. Okay, right? Next, a bird. First, it is blue. It is cute. It has small beak. This is beak, baru. And small wings, or maybe tiny wings. It has red tail. Short and red tail. It has round eyes. Okay, next, a car. Okay, first, it's red. It's big. It's expensive. It's, what else? It's fast. Okay, so these are some of the adjectives that we can use to describe a car. Next, a birthday cake. First, maybe we can say it's sweet. It tastes delicious or tasty. It's colorful. Colorful. And it has red cherry. It is pink. Okay. Next, a lemonade. First, it's yellow. It's cold. It's refreshing. It's sweet or maybe sour. Okay, so these are the words that we can use to describe the lemonade. Okay, so let's watch a video. I will share the link in our group later and also in the description box below. And then, okay, physical traits. So what can we say about this picture, about this man? Okay, maybe we can say that he has mid-length hair. Mid-length hair, okay? Tak panjang sangat, tak pendek sangat. Fair skin. Okay? And he is tall. He is handsome. He wears blue suits, white shoes. His eyes are round eyes. Okay, so if you see here, physical traits, it's all about what you can see outside. Okay, so these are the things that we can see from the picture, right? And now we move on to character traits. So character traits is more on the inside, okay, what you think about the person. So who knows? Who is this? Okay, this is Bill Gates. Okay, so Bill Gates is a very famous multi-billionaire. He is the founder of Windows, Microsoft. So I guess he is a genius, maybe a smart person. Okay, yes, because he is very genius and smart. He is a rich person, so maybe we can say that he is a generous person because he is also a philanthropist. Okay, he likes to do donations. And what else? Maybe from his face, what can we say about him? Maybe he is a friendly person. Maybe, right? And he is maybe he is a kind person. Okay, so these are all the character traits that we can give Bill Gates. Okay, all right, some practice. Underline the adjectives. Number 1, they live in a beautiful house. So which one is adjectives? Yes, this one. Number 2, Lisa is wearing a sleeveless shirt today. Correct. Number 3, she wore a beautiful dress. Correct. Number 4, he writes meaningless letters. Yes. Okay, so you have to do these activities by yourself. So I will post the activities in our group. And let me give you another examples. So this is another activity. Fill in the blanks with suitable nouns. Okay, nouns. Okay, barang, benda. So big. When you see big, what is popping on your mind? Big. Okay, for me, big is a house, for example. Shiny. Okay, when I see shiny, it reminds me of diamond. And fragrant, wangi. When I see fragrant, I remember my roses at home. Okay, so you have to fill all these blanks, right? Next, add on with suitable adjectives. Number 1, the cat is jumping. So if you still remember, adjectives come before noun. So which one is noun? Cat. So we can add an adjective here. So we can put white. The white cat is jumping. Number 2, house and lake. So we can see that the big house is near the beautiful lake. The girl has a voice. Okay, so girl and voice is a noun. So we have to add the little girl has a sweet voice. Okay, so that's how you do this activity. Moving on. Alright, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you can get as much as information and new knowledge today. So I will post the practice in PDF form in our group, and we will discuss the answers in our next lesson. Thank you everyone. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and also comment below if you like this video. Bye everyone. Take care. Be safe.